Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So this is lesson we will mastering dictionaries. We have many examples for the dictionaries. So we have these grades: math, English, science, Arabic, history. If I now print grades, then I will print, I want to make update. So I want to make update to the math item. So grades dot update, open, and you choose the item. So I will choose the math. How to choose it? Open curly braces and make write math and colon and the new value 99. Now print the rate. So Python l.py. So look at this. The first value is 100. The second value is 99. So I want to make another thing. So I will create the second dictionary: language, Spanish, English, Turkish. So we have then English, so I will delete this English, okay, and put Arabic then, okay. So I want to include language in the grades. How to include it? So it's easy. Grades dot update language, and then print. So math, science, history, with Spanish, English, Turkish, Arabic. So this is update. Now I have the copy method. What is copy method? Copy method to make copy for this new okay. See, new dictionary is equal grades dot copy. Okay. If I now if I now print a new print a new math, science, history. If I now print delete, okay, grades dot clear and print, don't clear the data in the grades. Why? Because make the copy. If I delete the grades or make update, make anything, nothing will change it. So I have another examples. So another examples is pipeline. So it's to make join. How to what I see. New is equal grades pipeline language, and then continue. Look at this. Make the join. So what's the difference between new and update? New to grades dot update language. New and new 2. Then Python none. Why it's none? Why none? Because I wrote it's grades, new one, grades, update, language. Okay, great. Python. Okay, look at this. Nothing changed, but you use pipeline. It's more advanced. I think it's better than update. So guys, I have this example to add items. I have menu, have 4 items, and then I want to add the new items. How to do this? First of all, I will create a new dictionary is empty to save the value. So while is a truthy value. Item name is equal input is input enter item name, and I will ask if item name is equal empty, so break. Item price. Okay, now it's okay. Item price is equal float input enter item price. Enter item price. Okay, now I want to add item name and item price in the new. So how to make this? New, the key is item name, and it's equal item price. Then I will print. I want to make update, so I want to make update to the new. How to do this? Now new dot update menu okay, and then I will for item and price, for item price in new dot items, print f string item price. Python l.py item 1 price 1, item 2 price 2. Okay, I have a problem, so I will fix it. Oh, okay, that's the problem. Make update to the menu dot to the new menu new. Okay, now price to the menu, then Python l.py 1 1. Okay, I have another thing. So the problem is I will go outside the while. So now print, okay, Control C, Python l.py 1 1. 2, 2, 3, 3. Look at this. The main menu and the new menu. And I want to say goodbye.